Hi, it's the I hate to cook again. This is my video on how to make a healthy salad. Easy and simple. So you just take I've got two kinds of organic lettuce here. I've got the butter, which is really tasty, and then I have this baby kale, which is really healthy, and it's okay. They've mixed baby kale, baby spinach, and other baby greens, and it's already been washed. So you just put some lettuce in here, tear it up a little, and put some of this other kind of lettuce in here. And this one has a plastic on it. There we go. Ah, this looks good. And if you wanted to make it more like a meal instead of, I'm having some chicken and rice soup with this, but if you were just having it by itself, you could put some cooked pasta in here and throw some tuna fish in, put some cooked cold potatoes or potato salad or something like that in here as well. That makes it more of a, when you add your carbohydrate, your starchy carbohydrates, and then it makes it more filling, more of a meal. Then I'm just going to add these. These are organic carrots that I've peeled and cut into coins. I'm trying this thing where you eat carrot, ABC, apple, beet, and carrot every day. I'm trying that to see if it'll get my blood cholesterol down. It's supposed to make your blood cholesterol normalized. Then some raw beet and some onion and some cucumber. The beet is also organic. The cucumber is just conventional, and so is the onion. These are diced organic tomatoes. They were canned. I kind of find I don't like to eat conventional tomatoes. I think they spray them too much, but organic tomatoes are sometimes kind of hard to locate or to find. And I think that if you buy the organic tomatoes in a can, they keep better. You don't have to worry about them spoiling, and they taste just as good. So anyway, tomato. Then for the salad dressing, I just use some organic extra virgin olive oil. This brand was on sale, which is why I bought it. Occasionally you find these organic olive oils on sale. So I do like a half of a tablespoon of organic olive oil. And then I use this, this is good stuff. Organic, raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother, whatever that is. Unpasteurized. This is really good stuff. Last time I was getting low on it, Publix has their own Greenwise brand now, and it was a bit cheaper. So it's the same thing. It's organic, it's raw, unfiltered, unpasteurized. It's got the mother, whatever that is. So I'm going to try this one, but you just shake it up a little, and then you put in a tablespoon. I like the 2-to-1 ratio. 2 parts of the apple cider vinegar to 1 part of olive oil. And then I add some, this is that pink Himalayan salt. I like it. I can just, there's no like that chemical they put in to make it, keep it from caking. This doesn't have any chemicals in it, and it doesn't cake anyway. I keep it in this big jar, and it works fine. And then you just toss it. I used to, I guess ranch dressing is my favorite dressing. I used to put different dressings on my salad. Then when I was looking for an organic dressing, it was hard to find one that I really liked. Sometimes the ranch I didn't like the way it tasted that good. I found one, but then I think my favorite one was like a Italian with feta cheese. But I think this is much simpler. It's easier, and it's healthy, and it's simple. And I like the way it tastes. But I have to have salt. I don't think I'd like it if it didn't have salt in it. And there is your healthy salad. Simple, easy, quick.